Questions 62 through 64 refer to the following conversation.
Hi, this is Kirk from TeleCorp. I received the voicemail you left with us earlier this morning about adding more hard drives to the computer server you ordered. I can do it, but the cost will be higher, and I'll have to change the contract.
That's what I figured. How much more will it be?
Well, the cost will be about $500 higher than my previous quote.
Okay, that's fine. Will the change to my order affect the installation date?
No, I'll come next Monday, as originally scheduled. It'll take about 1 hour longer than anticipated, though. That means I'll finish on Tuesday at 12 p.m. instead of 11 a.m.
Number 62. According to the man, what did the woman do earlier today? Number 63. What does the woman mean when she says,
That's what I figured.
Number 64. When did the man originally plan to finish the work?